Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny. I'm from Jenny Card Designs. My YouTube channel contains content that is intended to share paper crafting, tutorials, and inspiration with all of you. I hope that you enjoy. So today I wanted to bring something to you that I use in my craft room every single day. So I've designed this book and I call it my template book. And inside of my template book, the first page, I've got a table of contents. And I've got some little post-it stickies so that I can label each of my pages so that I can flip right to the page that I need. So here's my first page. My first two pages have my Genvelope templates. Now, if you don't know what these are, I will link to a video that shows you how to use these. And I've got a few different styles of those, and each of those templates have a step-by-step how to create a handmade envelope with one sheet of 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock or whatever you have in your stash. And all of the measurements are laid out for you. On the right hand side is a template of what the envelope should look like when it's cut and scored. So I have an A2 envelope, an A7 envelope, and a slimline envelope, which is about 3.5 by 8 3/4. So next up in my book, I've got some tags for you. Now I have two styles. I have two sheets. They're both 8.5 by 11. I have large tags, and you'll get 5 large tags that measure 5.5 inches by 3 inches. On this template, the gray little arrows mark the score marks, and the pink areas mark where you would trim out with your scissors. And then on the smaller tags, you'll get 8 tags in a sheet that measure 4.25 by 2.5. The gray little arrows mark the score marks, and the pink areas mark where you would trim out with your scissors. Next up, we've got the layers. So I've got slimline layers. There are 12 measurements for the layers on your slimline cards. So it just makes it easier to figure out, and you don't have to do any math while you're crafting. Okay, and I've got the same for the A7. I've got 13 measurements for you here. Each of the layers are numbered, and they correspond with the measurement that is numbered on the left-hand side of the page. And I've done that for all of my layer templates. And then I've also got A2 layers, and I've got 12 measurements for my A2 layers. So in the back of my book, there's also a little envelope here. There's a little Velcro adhesive envelope, and I keep inside of there the envelopes and templates that I've designed. And so these are the samples of the templates. So I just label each one. So I've got the A2, the A7, the slimline. I even have the slimline card inside of the large slimline envelope. So everything is broken down for you step by step by step in all of my templates. So basically this is something that I create for myself, and I figure, if I needed it, maybe all of you do too. I've been sharing the templates in an album on my Facebook page at Jenny Card Designs, and it's got all of the templates that you need so that you can download all of these templates with the measurements, and you can create your own template book. And as we continue on through the future, I have more designs to share with you and more templates for lots of fun projects for your paper crafts, and we'll work towards filling up this book. So that's it for this book. I have a bunch of books similar to this that I've been using for my stencils, for my template designs, and for my crafty ideas and things like that. So it just helps keep me organized, and I really like making stuff. So since I like making stuff so much, I like to make books about making stuff. So that's my thing. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video and got a little bit of inspiration and knowledge to help organize some of your things. And I hope that you will check out the templates and download them and use them in your crafty stash every day, because, who doesn't like free stuff, right? Thanks so much for stopping by and spending a little bit of your time with me here today. Coming up on screen are a few videos that I think you may enjoy. Have a lovely day, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!